Compassion. The Quran is nothing but a call for compassion. Every time you recite the Quran, you invoke the compassion and mercy of God. And this is what the world needs. Every single world faith has developed its own version of what's sometimes called the golden rule. Never treat others as you would not like to be treated yourself. This requires you to look into your own heart, discover what gives you pain, and then refuse under any circumstance whatsoever to inflict that pain on anybody else. And they've said, the religions, that this is the heart of faith, the test of true spirituality. Not one of you can be a believer, said the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, unless he desires for his neighbor what he desires for himself. And this is essential now for a peaceful world, because I'm convinced that unless now we learn to treat all peoples, whoever they are, as we would wish to be treated ourselves, the world will not be a viable place. We will not have a peaceful world to hand on to the next generation. It requires respect so that we do not inflict on other nations, other people, what we would not like for ourselves. If this had been done more in the past, we wouldn't be having so many problems today.